for the bioethanol producer, as Bioagro, my company, we don't want to think about the CO2 as a pollutant only. We would like to have a added value from this part of our production, because we want to think about the CO2 as a chemical possibility for the next step of production. Yes, not only stopped it on the bioethanol. We want to go ahead.
And I think it's important to look at the CO2 as a valuable chemical feedstock, because it's something that we don't utilize to 100%. I mean, if we don't take care of the industrial off-gases, I mean, we lose a valuable chemical compound that can be converted using a number of different biochemical processes.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, that is a question that has been discussed a lot, of course, and I think it's a combination, because I mean it's both a technical challenge, because we need to develop enrichment and purification process that enable us to purify the CO2 streams coming from the industry, and we need to have a technology that is also economical feasible. So it's a combination, and there has been a lot of focus on current more traditional CO2 capture system, that some part of the process require a lot of energy. So we would like, of course, to make sure that we have a process that we can make as energy efficient as possible. And if we can make it energy efficient, that means also that it will have an economic impact. It's a combination.
I fully agree that it should be combination. It should be profitable production, yes. And so these two part of thinking, yes, on the end of economical result is for the company on the end, yeah.
But I think one also need to consider what is the economical burden that you can take, because of course it will cost also to treat the CO2 and convert it into added value chemicals, but we are also providing benefits for the climate, and we need to be in agreement with the goals and policies that we have from the EU, and we also have national goals.
Yes, but we have to remember that the investor should invest, yes, and put money for this process. And so the results, as I told, should be the profitable way of production, yes.
We need to have a label for the use of CO2.
We are very open for these new projects in this company, where you are looking for a different way of using not only ethanol but the other byproduct, because we started to think about the CO2 as a byproduct. I think it's a good example. It is our participation in this project in Vivaldi.
The approach that we are using in Vivaldi is to use a combination of a chemical and an enzymatic approach to gain the most benefit, because we, as I said before, we would like to make it as energy efficient as possible. And during this project we will look at a different range of flue gas composition, and to work and develop a technology that can handle a wide range, because we also have inhibitors, we have the SOx and NOx present, and we need to have a technique that can handle this variation. So one goal is to have a flexible CO2 enrichment and purification technology, depending on the needs of the industry, that will further do the CO2 conversion.